Guys, good evening, everyone. It's Angelo, Christian Financial. Hope everyone's doing well. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, where America goes for funding, your direct nationwide lender. I hope everyone's doing well out there. We're in October, almost finished with 2023. A lot of great information to talk about in the real estate and credit markets tonight. So I hope you guys got your thinking cap on, your learning cap. We got a lot of good things we're going to be going over. And remember, if you have any questions, you can call or text us. We're open 7 days a week, 832-431-6331, your direct nationwide lender where America goes for funding. Thank you guys for watching the channel. Hey, Kevin, good evening. Thank you. So, a lot of good stuff we're going to be talking about tonight. And again, remember, if you guys have questions, hit me down below. Don't forget to like the channel, subscribe, share this with all your friends, family. So first things first, tonight on conventional, what we're seeing is even though we're in a, inflationary time, rising interest rates, all this stuff, it seems like everyone's stepping to the plate. Lenders, government agencies, whatever we can do to combat this, to help to spur economic development, housing, real estate, commercial investment. Conventional loan limits are increasing. So they currently at 726, now they're going up to 750 for conventional loan limits. That's a massive change. They've gone higher and higher. When I first started this business, the conventional loan limit was 160 grand. Now it's at 750. It's crazy what's happened in the last 2 decades. So that's obviously great because we have conventional 1% down, conventional down payment assistance. That's an awesome program. The next thing that's really powerful, another program was just released today. You can get a jumbo loan up to $1.3 million with 5% down and then no PMI. That's a massive thing because normally a jumbo loan you have to have at least 20% down. This loan has no PMI, conventional mortgage rates up to $1.3 million with only 5% down and no PMI. So that's another massive thing that's come out. And then in November, which is going to be explosive, which is crazy, Fannie Mae Conventional is releasing multifamily up to 4 units with only 5% down, guys. Right now, if you try to get a Fannie Mae a conventional, multifamily 4 unit, you have to put 25% down. So for the first time ever, you can get conventional multifamily, two duplex, triplex, fourplex, only 5% down. So this is massive for this year. Some of the changes going into next year to really push these markets to help people to buy more properties, because there's a lot of multifamily that don't qualify for FHA. They got to go conventional, but they can't put 25% down. Now you can get that multifamily property with only 5% down, so it's a massive change. So that's a big one. Okay. Next, what I want to talk about is asset-based lending. We get a lot of calls on asset-based lending. And basically, what asset-based lending means is, when you go to get a loan, 99% of the loans that you get, you have to qualify with your credit. You have to have a certain credit score to get that loan. An asset-based loan, there is no credit qualification. So there's no credit score required. They're underwriting the asset of the property. So you got to have a 400 credit, a 600 credit, a 500 credit. They don't care about your credit or your income. They care about the asset. So that's called asset-based lending. We do those type of loans, and we do credit-based loans. So depending on your situation, whether there's something wrong with your credit, the property, your finances, you may need an asset-based loan, or you may be able to get a credit-based loan, just based on your situation and what you're trying to do. Obviously, we do both, and we specialize in them very well. So, depending on where you're at and the type of loan that you're getting. For example, let's say that you bought a distressed property and needs repairs. Usually a mortgage company or a bank's not going to want to finance it because it's in disarray and needs rehab. That's where a private bridge loan will come into play. They give you money to fix it and flip it, and they give you the cash back to include in the loan to help you with the repair. So that's a really, really cool program, and you don't have to stay on it forever. You usually use that loan to accomplish the job, the project, and then sell it or move on to a different program. Oh, give me 1 second, guys. out of my cigar here for a second. Sorry about that. Had to. Anyway, that's what asset-based lending is. They go off of the asset. They don't go off of the credit to qualify. So, if you're in a situation where you need an asset-based loan, we offer that type of product, and we're happy to help you with it. Okay? Sorry, I just had to light my cigar. It went out for a second. Too much talking, not enough smoking, huh? So great program, and we offer it. If we can help you with that, call or text us, like I said, 832-431-6331. Now, moving into some different specialized programs that we offer, we specialize in loans for realtors. If you're a realtor and you're trying to get a loan, maybe you've had a hard time getting a loan from your bank or a mortgage company, we have great programs for investment properties, primary residence, commercial properties, if you're a realtor and you're trying to get funding. So, in fact, a lot of our customers are realtors. They refer us to their clients, and we also do a lot of loans for realtors. We have FHA 0 down. We have self-employed no-doc loans for realtors. Investor cash flow loans. A lot of realtors are also in the game, doing real estate deals. We have, investor lines of credit, blanket loans, no documentation loans. A lot of times realtors, they operate their business and they, burn up a lot of their cash flow to run that business. And so sometimes they need a no-doc loan or a private loan. That's a great program if you're a realtor. So, if you're in a situation, and you are a realtor and you need funding, reach out to us because we want to talk to you and see if we can help you. We've helped so many realtors over the years to get funding for their own personal home. You can use the bank statement loan, you can use a 1099 loan, you can do a no-doc loan, a no-ratio loan, a profit and loss loan. There's so many solutions out there. It's not just what your mortgage company or your bank told you. There's a lot of different ways to get a loan, and that's why we're here. We're not the cheapest, but we're the best. That's the thing, is we're creative, we deliver, we push to figure out solutions on how to make it happen. We're not the cheapest rate, I'll tell you that. We're not, and we're not going to advertise that we are. That's not that's not who we are. We're here to help you to solve this situation, get it done, and give you the fairest, best price that we can. So, yeah, if you're a realtor, call us, text us. Now, we also specialize in loans for truck drivers. If you're watching the show or the channel and you're a truck drivers have a really hard time getting a loan. They have a ton of expenses, and when it's all said and done, they normally don't qualify on their taxes to be able to get a loan. Truck driver loans are great because, you can use your 1099, you can use your bank statements, you can use your profit and loss statement. So there's a lot of ways, if you're a truck driver too, to be able to get financing. So we'd love to hear from you. We have truck driver loans that go all the way up to $3 million. Our lowest loan amount's $200,000. Our highest loan amount's $3 million for a truck driver loan. So you can buy a primary residence, a secondary home, an investment property, multifamily. So a lot of different solutions that you can do. So we talked about a lot. The other thing that is another big thing the other thing that's really big too, and I talked about this last week on the podcast, is the new 5% down payment assistance. You can get up to $25,000 for down payment and closing cost assistance. So for your primary residence, if you have a 620 or higher credit score, you don't have to be a first-time buyer. You can buy a single family up to $500,000 and get 5% down payment assistance. Now, this is a full documentation loan. This isn't a no documentation. It's full documentation, but you can get up to $500,000 purchase price, $25,000 for down payment and closing cost assistance. Now, you can buy a duplex and still get the zero down, get up to 25,000 for down payment assistance, but you have to have a 660 or higher credit score. Okay, and you can buy a manufactured mobile home too. You get the down payment assistance, but you have to have a 680 or higher credit score. The minimum purchase prices for these are 200,000, which should be fairly simple to find that. But the maximum is 500,000. But it's a great program because, you know, a lot of people are in a situation where they can afford to make the monthly payment, but they don't have 25 or 50,000 for a down payment and closing costs to be able to purchase a home. So they're kind of stuck. You know, this is a way to solve that, to get unstuck so you can buy your home. So great opportunity for you to be able to purchase your home and get down payment assistance, whether it's single family, manufactured mobile home, duplex. A lot of people are buying multifamily right now because they want, you know, to lease out the other side, the other units to pay for the mortgage. I mean, for example, if you buy a 4-family, and you can do that with FHA or conventional, the rent income coming in from other units can pay for the house payment. So basically you can be living there for free. A lot of people are doing this. A lot of builders are building these type of properties right now because we're running out of space, we're running out of land. And so with these new programs like the conventional 5% down for multifamily, the FHA, a down payment assistance program, these are ways to help you guys out there for you to be able to purchase your home, and you don't have to have a large down payment. Now, obviously, if you want to put money down, you can. That's great. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm just saying that we have these niche products that other lenders don't have to be able to help you guys out there. Okay? Awesome programs is what it's about. You have to have innovative products, you know, great customer service is what we pride ourselves on to deliver to make it happen. We're not perfect, but we do try to deliver and serve and make things happen and get it done. So if we can help you with any type of program, you know, please call or text us 832-431-6331. We lend nationwide. We do commercial, residential, private loans, hard money, no doc loans, like I said, multifamily. We'd love to hear from you. We do, you know, all different types of financing, even SBA, commercial, assisted living. I mean, pretty much everything. The only thing we really don't do is raw land. So we don't do raw land loans unless you're going to build. If you're going to build, we can give you a construction loan to build on. If you're looking for a construction loan, we do those. So basically, that's kind of what the opportunity is, what we're seeing right now for 2023 to end the year. It's ending on a positive note. The projections are that rates are going to go down next year. So with lower rates and more products, that's going to be able to help to spur, you know, the housing and commercial market to get stronger, to grow, to expand. So we can keep getting better and better and grow and bigger, right? Because, you know, let's kind of recap. Conventional loan limits are going to be higher for next year, $750. You can buy a jumbo, buy a home for $1.3 million with only 5% down and no PMI. There's no one else I know on the planet that's doing that. Okay. You can get down payment assistance up to 25 grand for a manufactured home, duplex, single family. For the first time ever, you can buy a fourplex, a 4-family, up to 1.3 million with only 5% down. Before, with conventional, it was 25% down, guys. So this is a massive change with Fannie Mae. It's definitely breaking news. Huge change, huge shift with the market. And again, if you're self-employed, you're a realtor or a truck driver, you're looking to get a loan, whether it's an investment property, primary, secondary home, think of us, call us, text us. We want to hear from you. 832-431-6331. We got the programs, we got the solutions. We can't help everybody, we can't solve all the world's problems, but we can push and try to figure out how to help you. That's what we're here to do. Okay? And then lastly, we talked about asset-based loans. If you're looking for an asset-based loan, we have those where they're not credit score driven. Sometimes people need that, and sometimes they can get, a credit-based loan. So it just depends on where you're at. And if anyone has any questions down below, don't be a stranger. Feel free to ask. We can definitely help you to answer your questions, depending on what it is. So, and you can always call us or text us. We're open 7 days a week. 832-431-6331. You can go to our website, Official Angelo Christian. We're also on Instagram, Official Angelo Christian, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, all that stuff. And you can talk to us live as well and work with our team. And then we can figure out the best way, just so you guys are aware, we're not a marketing company. We're not just doing YouTube. We're actually a direct lender. That's what we do. Okay? We make loans, and we do it really well. We're not perfect, but we do care, and that's the biggest thing. We care about you and trying to help you with your situation. And that's ultimately the biggest difference with us, and why I do these videos and why I started doing all these videos years ago, is to educate, empower, help people to excel, change lives, things like that. Those are the main things I wanted to discuss tonight. So I appreciate all of you guys watching the show and the channel. I hope you guys got great value out of it. We have 3 videos that go out every week on our YouTube channel. We do our live every Thursday. So yeah, appreciate all of you guys tuning in. We'll be back again next week with Talk with Angelo. Again, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share this content with anyone out there that wants the information. And if you can go to our website, Official Angelo Christian, there's links down below to click on, or you can call or text us, 832-431-6331. I appreciate all of you guys watching the show and the channel, all your support. Please get the information out there. If we can help anything, call or text us. Thank you guys so much. We'll be back again next week. Take care and be strong. Bye-bye.